In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a downloadable PDF to Squarespace. If you've ever wanted to share a brochure, a menu, a checklist, or a lead magnet right from your site, adding a downloadable PDF is a clean, professional way to do it. Before we start, make sure your PDF is saved on your computer and named clearly, since that name can sometimes appear in browsers when people open it. Begin on the page where you want the download to live, inside the Squarespace editor. Hover over the spot where you want the link to appear and click Add Block. A button works best for this because it stands out and clearly signals an action. From the block options, choose Button. This gives you a simple call to action that's easy for visitors to tap or click across devices. Open the button settings by clicking the pencil icon. This is where you control how the button looks and what it says. Update the text so it's descriptive, like Download PDF, Get the Guide, or View Menu. Short, clear labels help with accessibility and set expectations for your visitors. Now, connect the button to your file. In the button settings, click Attach Link. This opens the link editor where you decide what the button should point to. Click URL to bring up the link options. Instead of pasting a web address, choose File. Selecting File tells Squarespace you want the button to link to a document rather than another page. You'll see an option to upload. Click the arrow icon to upload a file from your computer. Navigate to your PDF, select it, and confirm. Squarespace will upload and host the file for you, and once the upload completes, it's automatically attached to the button. From this point on, when someone clicks the button, their browser will either download the PDF or open it in a new tab, depending on their device and settings. Take a quick moment to glance at the button text again to ensure it matches the action. If you ever need to change the file later, you can return to the same button settings, open the link, and replace the document without rebuilding anything. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep your PDF size reasonable so it loads quickly, and use a clear file name that reflects the content. If you plan to share multiple documents, repeat this same process and place each button where it makes the most sense on your page. That's it. Your downloadable PDF is now live on your Squarespace site, ready for visitors to access with a single click.